welcome back to my channel. I am going to the DMV. I'm sure it's just an easy process. You just show them the paperwork and then you can get your license. And surprisingly, I got myself a reservation time so I don't have to be a walk-in and wait so many hours.
Oh, no, 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 no.
All right, so the place that I had a reservation or a time for, the Satellite City Hall, they actually can't get me my license and all that. I need to go to the actual DMV, which I thought that's where I was going. I guess not. Of course they had an appointment available because it's not like the actual DMV. So I'm driving to the DMV now. I tried to make an appointment, but the earliest appointment they had was in May. And I don't want to wait that long, so I'm going to see if I can just do a walk-in and get this taken care of today. Hopefully I don't have to wait forever, but we'll see. I hate the DMV. I should have made an appointment like months ago, assuming that I would have passed the MSF course. I should have been thinking ahead, but I was not. So now I have to figure this out. Hopefully, if it takes all day, I think I might just leave. It's already almost 9 o'clock. I remember last time when I tried to go get my permit, the written test, I went without an appointment and I went as early as possible and I showed up and there was a long line and they didn't even let me in until around 2 or 3. I was there at 6 a.m. So I have a feeling that they're either gonna turn me away or maybe I'll get lucky today, but we'll see.
2 hours later.
Guess what didn't happen? I went to the standby line and there were so many people already. It had just opened at 8 and I got there maybe a little closer to 9. The line was outside of the building and I waited almost 2 hours and the line had not moved at all. I made an appointment, but it's not till like a month from now, which is annoying, but I still have that appointment. I'm gonna try to go in tomorrow and come in early and hopefully I will be one of the first ones in. So we'll see, but that was not successful at all.
Early the next morning.
Okay, part 2, trying this again. It's way earlier than yesterday. It's like 6 a.m. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired, but I have a feeling I'm gonna be the very first in line, and that's all that matters.
Many unbearable hours later.
Oh my gosh, I did it! I got it! That was so easy. It took no time at all. You just show them the motorcycle endorsement, and then they just add it onto your license, and then you take a photo. So I have a temporary license right now until they send the real one in the mail, but I cannot believe that I waited so long. I should have made an appointment, but hey, I got it done and I'm super happy about that. So next thing I'm gonna do is hit the road. I can't wait and I will document all that. back.